All right, so this is the back of it, and that's clearly the front. I'm just gonna take it, lift it. So it will, when heat, it will lay down better, but I do want to go ahead and show you guys how well it fits around the edges. So even over here where this, you know, the handle's at, it tucks underneath really nicely around all these edges here. Same thing on this side here, nice Lasfit logo. It's got like a little notch there just to go below that. Down around this corner, same thing here. It's just a little notch there for that. Lines up back here perfectly. Even notched it out right there. If you can see, it's getting a little bit dark. But again, it's still got some waves in it because it's, you know, I'm in Indiana. It's 34 degrees out right now.
I'm so cold that I can use my nose drippings as a pair of chopsticks.
All right, y'all, it's been a couple weeks. I've been running around with this Lasfit bed liner in my truck. I gotta take this trash out, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like once I'm all done. All right, so if you see, it's laid down really well. My truck comes right to the edges here, and notice how to climb back here and get that stuff because it held onto it tight.